We're going to show you how to create the holes on the part in your auxiliary views assignment. And so if let me delete this line really quickly. As you can see, I've located the holes with points. And these holes have a note on them that makes them a little bit different and special. So if we look at the drawing sheet, we see that it has a number 832 UNC 2B. Well, the 8 is the size of the hole, so it's a size 8. 32 means it's a threaded hole, and there's 32 threads per inch. UNC defines the type of thread. The C stands for coarse. And 2B is the fit of the hole. And so how do you make that hole in Inventor? So once you have your points located and they're on the correct spot, you click your hole tool, and it'll bring up your hole dialog box. This is a threaded hole. We know that because of the call out on the sheet. We know that the size is a number 8. So right here under threads, under size, I'm going to click. If you notice, you have from size 0 to size 8 here. And so some holes they've given a number and defined the size of that. So a number 8 hole is size 0.164. So I'll click on that. And you can see that this designation comes up. It's an 832 UNC. The class is 2B. And so that's the hole that I need for my part. This one's a little bit different because it doesn't go all the way through, so I'll click off that. And this one just goes right there through the first part of the object. And so that takes care of that hole. If I wanted to make the other one, notice you lose your sketch, but if I come over here in my browser and right click on sketch 4 and say share it, the sketch will show back up, and then I can make my other hole. It's exactly the same except it has a depth of 0.3. and a threads of 0.3. So we'll make both those the same, and it puts my hole in. And so that's how you do those threaded holes in Inventor.